Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a clean, well-lit workspace and laying the watch face down on a soft cloth. Once done, inspect the lugs to locate the spring bar ends and any quick-release tabs so you know where to apply pressure. Use a spring bar tool or small flat pick. Press inward toward the strap to compress the spring. You want firm, controlled movement so the bar clears the lug hole. Take steady breaths and work one side at a time to avoid sudden slips. Now you focus on compressing and extracting the bar cleanly. Hold the case steady with one hand and use the tool to push the bar toward the strap, then gently lever the strap away from the lug so the end clears. If it resists, pause and reposition the tool rather than forcing it. A small pick can nudge the bar free. For quick-release straps, slide the tiny lever and pull the strap out. Make sure to keep the spring bar contained so it does not fly across the bench. Finish by repeating the compression on the opposite side and carefully withdrawing the last spring bar while supporting the strap so it doesn't snap. Once removed, inspect both the bars and lug holes for burrs, dirt, or wear. Clean with a soft brush or cloth to ensure proper reseating later. Store the bars in a small container and prepare the new strap. If a bar sticks, use a magnetized tool or apply a tiny amount of light oil, then work it free. This fixes most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.